Hello, fifth graders. Happy Friday. We are in our final class of this current pathway. So we're going to be moving out of Partners in Survival next week. But today we're still working in our book, the My Word Study book. Okay, and our reading is The Intergalactic Space Force. Okay, so you're going to find this in your My Word Study book on page 9. So if we open up to page 9 here, you'll find the Intergalactic Space Force. And you'll notice that there's a nice space here at the bottom of your paper. We're going to use that to connect with our thinking today. Okay, so you're going to read. You notice it's a short story. It's intergalactic. The prefix or the Greek and Latin root inner catches my attention. And I'm wondering if you know what that means. Inner means within. So when it's intergalactic, it means within our galaxy. Okay, so you're going to read it at least once. Hopefully you'll read it once aloud, once silently, and you might even read it a third time to make sure that you're catching the meaning of this short piece of writing. Okay, then on the bottom of the paper, you're going to answer some of these questions. But then you're also going to have a document that you find in Schoology. Okay, so these first two questions you're going to answer right at the bottom of your paper. Okay, and those questions are, what was Zybrozine's problem? Why? Find sentences to support your answer. All right, so you might underneath on the bottom of your paper here, write what Zybrozine's problem was, and then find two pieces or two sentences in the writing that you can underline that will help you describe why. The second question, how did Zybrozine solve his problem? Okay, then you're going to answer that one right at the bottom of this paper. How did he solve his problem? Okay, this last question, you're going to enter and turn into your teacher using Kami. It says, how is a science fiction story different from other fiction stories you have read? What are unique characteristics? Oh, excuse me. I'm having a hard time seeing the bottom because this pops up on me. Let's see if I can move it. Yeah. I'm getting close here. Here we go. What are the unique characteristics of this type of story? All right, so we're going to reflect a little bit about what details are you finding in this story that shows you that this is a science fiction. All right, so I will put these questions in Schoology, and I'll make two separate assignments. One that has questions 1 and 2, and you'll know to write those at the bottom of the paper. And then this question 3 is the one that will turn in on a Kami document into your teacher. All right, nice job, nice work today. Remember, our goal is to become both better readers and writers. So the more effort you put in, the more growth that we're going to see. So have a good rest of the day and have a fabulous weekend.